In this video, we'll take a look at the print button that's found inside the transaction information section in an Atom client file. And this is on the balance page. The print button has three different options on it. The first one we're going to look at is print hourly statement. So if we click on this, it's going to display a report of our three transactions. This lines up with what we have created in the client file. We have three transactions here. And this report is going to show the transaction type, the date, any notes that were there, and then the main thing is the hours. So it's going to show the hours if our transaction has hours that were assigned to it. Then also the amount and then a total. This also has your company name up here as well as address and phone number. You can go to your settings and add those. It shows the date, what business type this was for, and also the client and their address. Next we have print open invoices, and this will only print our transactions that are open or in this case not marked as done. So this one's just going to show our fee for tax prep here. So if I click on print open invoices, again we have another report that opens up, and this is going to look more like an invoice. So it's going to have again like your company name and address up here on the left, an invoice number and date, as well as the business type that's for, the client name and address, and it's going to have the transactional information like the date, the transaction type, notes, and then also the amount. And then of course if there's also a payment that was included on this, it would show the payment method as well. Then lastly, we have print statement. This is going to be similar to our print hourly statement option here, but it's not going to show the hours. So if we click on this, it's going to show, again, all of our transactions that are listed here. It's going to show if they're marked done or not. Again, we have the date, transaction type, notes, payment method, amount, invoice number. So it shows pretty much all of the information except for the hours. And then, yeah, same thing with your company name, date, business type, client name, address, and so on. And one final thing, you've seen that we have this thank you for your business note at the bottom. You can customize what is displayed at the bottom of these reports. That's just going to admin, core configuration, report permissions. And on this page, you're going to scroll down to the bottom. This is where you have your transactions, print hourly statement, print open invoice, and print statements. This is where you can edit what is shown at the bottom there. Just click on the edit pencil, and then you can rewrite what it is you want to show. So that's all there is to the print button inside the transaction section inside a client file. Definitely reach out to Atom Support if you have any questions.